Allergies from pets can be a real challenge, but there are effective ways to manage them. First, consider keeping pets out of your bedroom to create a safe space. Regular cleaning is crucial. Vacuum with a HEPA filter and wash your pet's bedding weekly. Using air purifiers can help reduce allergens in the air. Over-the-counter antihistamines can provide relief, but consult your doctor for the best options. Lastly, regular grooming and bathing of your pet can significantly cut down on dander. With these steps, you can enjoy your furry friends without the sneezes.